Good morning, dear. Hello, I am new here. My name is John. I am a teacher by profession. He is a talented man. By whom is he being treated? Are you joining us? Cheer up. It really takes time. It is a matter of sorrow. Why are you late? Slow down your car. I'm sorry. He is fit for marriage. Did you get it? I can't believe it. You have no match. What is happening here? I knew it. Kneel and give thanks to God. What do you mean? I'm sorry I can't assist you. See you next time. Don't involve me in this matter. Do you agree with me? What's your email address? Good night. He is against me. Have a nice day. I am tired. Believe me. I shall reach by evening train. What are you doing today? Go up. It's very thoughtful of you. I have completed my work. Are you coming with me? I'm on a diet. He tells a lie. Who is your class teacher? By God's grace. Let's do it. You will not be able to deal with him. I will try my level best. What nonsense. Don't be ridiculous. I will marry her one day. I did not understand. Where are you from? I got it. I wish you well. Everything is fine. Are you kidding? Good morning. I dropped in casually. Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy. God bless you. They do not understand. Whatever he says is not true. Do you speak English? Don't be so childish. I'm sorry. I don't have money right now. Read the sentences carefully. That's so kind of you. Good heavens. It's none of your business. I beg your pardon. It's all yours. How disgraceful. I'm at the office. He had no money. His words have weight. Would you please speak slowly? Wonderful. What are you doing? A crease is formed on the cloth. Call me any day. Your name is on the list. Happy birthday. Not the least. What is going on? The car is parked on the road. A lovely day, isn't it? Let us see where he stands. Where is your office? You're driving too fast. I said many things to him. Stop crying. When is the train leaving? It's on the tip of my tongue. I don't like tall talks. Have a good weekend. He will not refrain from speaking. What is your job? How's it going? How have you been? Do as I say. My mind is reeling. Did you get my point? Where do you live? I have a lot to talk about. Let's celebrate. How's your family? What's up? What's new? Pretty good. Can't complain. I've been busy. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Would you like a drink? How do you feel about me? I'm returning your call. Can you tell me who is this man? Would you happen to know? My friends always makes fun of me. The temperature will come down tomorrow. I don't know. No, I don't want it. But he did not budge an inch. Excuse me. Do you understand me? There is something wrong with his brain. You are my responsibility. As you please. Well done, dear. Where are you? How can I go to the town center? He has a nasal accent. Can I ask you something? I'm at home. The soil of that place is fertile. Who is your favorite teacher? How old are you? I decline. Hurry up, otherwise, you will miss the train. I missed my school bus. Can I help you? I don't need your advice. The holidays will begin on the 10th of May. I will come again. Do you know what I mean? I apologize for being late. My room is on the second floor. Will you please help me with this? You are wasting my time. I have a house to live in. Thank you for the advice. Come on. I don't eat non-veg frequently. Try to open this door. Not yet. I love you. He was tired of running about. He sleeps in the afternoon. I can't wait any longer. Slow down. Try a little self-control. Be calm. I love to play video games. Nice to meet you. I'm good. The train came on time. Talk to you tomorrow. I could see through the matter. Are you fooling me? Glad to meet you. Hurry up. Is everything okay? What time does the next train leave? He is still not well. What are you up to? I would love to. Fetch water from the well. How can I help you? What are your hobbies? I apologize. It has rained excessively today. Could you give me some money? What's the weather like? You are going too fast. It's a good beginning. The sun rises from the east. Be careful. Shut up. Go if you can. Drive carefully. Forgive me. God bless you. The time has come. Do not disturb. Come what may. Is all good. He crushed my hopes. Please give me your hand. Get off. How was your weekend? I will move heaven and earth. Come quickly. I don't agree. What do you want? Please write down this address. Stop kidding. Are you sure? No, I don't want. It is a strange thing. Could you show me your answer sheet? I'm sorry to interrupt you. Allow me. Will you go there or shall I? I made it. How can I go to the city? Do me a favor. I like fairly hot tea. Is everything all right? Can you turn the volume up? What do you think? What did you succeed in? Where are you going? I don't need you. This is your updated version. How much is it? Any day will do. He is serving his own ends. I feel sad about your loss. Yes, by all means. I have no idea. Have you wound the watch? I am feeling tired today. Sorry for the inconvenience. How dare you? Let's catch up. Why are you upset? Good day to you, sir. Follow me. Your turn. He owes the shopkeeper 50 rupees. What a bother. Do me a favor. We will break but not bend. Get out of my sight. Have a good trip. Rest assured. This doesn't behoove you. What do you want from me? Come with me. I have to leave early today. He had a narrow escape. What are your likes and dislikes? What are you talking about? Join me. I have no alternative. I feel much better. Do I have to? The examination is on my head. Enjoy yourself. Didn't you go to the cinema yesterday? May you succeed. Maybe he is my teacher. It's my pleasure. Please come as soon as possible. He became bankrupt. Have a good time. He has a bad headache. It was nice meeting you. What do you need? His luck took a turn. Get ready to go to school. Could you help me? I just made it. My watch is out of order. How are you? Are you done? All worship the rising sun. Stop making so much noise. I don't have time. She wakes early in the morning. I admire you. Are you married all? What is done is done. Please say something. I don't have time. Good afternoon. Whom do you suspect? We cook every day. Absolutely not. Give me a hand. He has a mild fever. Hope to see you next time. I'm good at my work. I do not mean it. I did as I was told. You are getting late for school. I'm on a diet. Thank you very much. How much do I owe you? It's okay for him, isn't it? I am busy. This work is not suitable for. They like each other. The house was decorated. That's okay. I am not accepting anything else at this time. I'm not ready yet. I'll pay. How's work going? Don't take it personally. It was the least I could do. You're the light of my life. I'll take it. Hurry. You're everything to me. I'm sorry, we're sold out. I don't want that. I'm not sure. I don't want to bother you. Don't worry. No problem. I get off of work at 6. Everything is ready. I'll take you to the bus stop. I feel good. I am dog-tired. Everyone knows it. I'm divorced. I adore you. I'm thirsty. I'm an American. I am starving. I'm single. I miss your laugh. I'm very busy. I don't have time now. I'm cleaning my room. I have a headache. I can't complain from time to time. I'd like you to meet. I'm not married.